Okay, this one's a new one. Somebody, like a mouse, has eaten my little mascot, taking his arm and his lovely little tail. There's a ring-tailed lemur, little Ringo there. And I've just tried to fire up the bike and the throttle's stuck open, and I thought, oh right, okay, take it apart and have a maintenance. And not a word of lie, I don't know how the hell it got in there. That's Ringo's tail in there, in the top of the air intake on the carburetor. In fact, it's jammed in there. So, I don't know. Did the mouse go in there somehow? How did it got in my air intake somehow? That's the air intake there. And that sits on top of there. Crazy. So I've got to dig that out. Oh God, I don't know. Anyway.